Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following with reference to the focus area of the Anusandhan National Research Foundation, ANRF 1. Cultural Preservation 2. Agricultural Practices 3. Advanced Scientific Research 4. Sports Management. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Only 3. D. All 4. Answer is option A. 3 only. The Anusandhan National Research Foundation, ANRF, was established in 2021 with the primary objective of promoting and funding research and development across various fields in India. It operates under the Ministry of Science and Technology. The foundation aims to foster innovation by supporting advanced scientific research, encouraging collaborations among researchers, institutions, and industries. ANRF employs a funding model that combines government allocations with contributions from the private sector, enabling it to provide research grants and fellowships. Which of the following is true about the Article 4 of the Indian Constitution? A. It allows the President to make laws regarding the amendment of the Constitution. B. It deals with the suspension of fundamental rights during an emergency. C. It states that the Constitution may be amended by Parliament according to specific procedures. D. It provides for the establishment of the Election Commission of India. Answer is option C. Article 4 of the Indian Constitution is a provision that deals with the amendment procedure of the Constitution. It empowers the Parliament to amend the Constitution through a specific process, as outlined in Article 368. This article allows changes to be made in the Constitution to adapt to changing circumstances, while ensuring that the core structure and principles are maintained. The significance of Article 4 lies in its role in maintaining the flexibility of the Constitution while preserving its basic framework.